Error UnicodeDecodeError, UTF-8 codec can't decode byte 0xff in position 0, invalid start byte. This URL. An error occurred when compiling process.py on the above site. Traceback, most recent call last. What is the cause of the error? Python's version is 3.5.2.
Python tries to convert a byte array, a bytes which it assumes to be a UTF-8 encoded string, to a Unicode string, str. This process, of course, is a decoding according to UTF-8 rules. When it tries this, it encounters a byte sequence which is not allowed in UTF-8 encoded strings, namely the 0xff at position 0. Since you did not provide any code we could look at, we only could guess on the rest. From the stack trace we can assume that the triggering action was the reading from a file contents equals openpath.read. I propose to recode this in a fashion like this. That being the mode specifier in the open states that the file shall be treated as binary, so contents will remain a bytes. No decoding attempt will happen this way.
Use this solution. It will strip out, ignore, the characters and return the string without them. Only use this if your need is to strip them, not convert them. Using errors equals ignore. You'll just lose some characters. But if you don't care about them, as they seem to be extra characters originating from the bad formatting and programming of the clients connecting to my socket server, then it's an easy direct solution. Reference.
Use encoding format ISO 8859-1 to solve the issue.
Had an issue similar to this, ended up using UTF-16 to decode. My code is below. This would take the file contents as an import, but it would return the code in UTF format. From there it would be decoded and separated by lines.